course, amazing to be up on a glacier on a beautiful summer day. It just never gets old.
Like, this is so blue and it's beautiful. It's like the perfect day.
I've been up in this area once before, and today was very different and so cool to be flying over parts of glaciers that you can only see really if you're flying. And I mean, landing, there's nobody out here, and we are just in this blue melt pool, and yeah, chance to see some wildlife and some mountains, and it was an awesome day out.
Chance to jump in the water.